Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video tutorial we will learn how to install the latest version of Java, which is Java 25 on Windows 10. So let's start. So first we will go to this Chrome, open this. Here I will search for Java JDK download. Go to this first link, oracle.com. Go down. As you can see, the latest version Java JDK 25 is available, and it is available for Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So we'll click on this Windows. Now here we have different type of installers, but we will download this exe file, so which is the second one. Now you can see here that the download started, so we will wait. So now the download is complete, so I'll go to the show in folder, right click on this, open it, click yes. Now the installer is open, so click next. It will install Java JDK on this path. Click next and close it. I'll close this. I'll close this as well. I'll come here to Windows icon, right click on this, go to system. Now we will go to this PC, C, program files, Java JDK, bin, and we will copy this path from here. I'll control C this. I'll close this. Now I'll come to this Windows icon, right click on this, go to systems, advanced system settings, environment variables, and under this system variables we will come to this path, select this and edit this path. Now we will click on this new path and we will paste that path we have copied right here. Now I'll click OK, OK and OK. So now we have set the path for our Java JDK. So I'll close this as well. Now we will go to CMD and we will use here Java hyphen version to check our Java version. So we have verified that our Java 25 is installed and the path is set up. So in this way you can install the latest version of Java on Windows 10. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.